It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. Tasteful, impressive, innovative Odyssey, more than just a minivan. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.